The concept of mutation. Today we will talk about mutation. Group members is the Aura Latifa, Nada Ayusabella, and Chaya Cantika. The next part is in the first part we will discuss about what is mutation, its basic definition, types of mutation, gene or phase, chromosome mutation, mutagens, factor causing mutation. Number four is genetic mutation, how DNA is affected. Number five is causes of mutation, why mutation occurs naturally or artificially. Next, we will learn about number six is mutation gene in more detail. Number seven is mutation in evolution, how mutation helps species adapt. And number eight is DNA repair, how cells fix damage. Number nine is mutagen influence. Number 10 is the conclusion. The next part is the what is the mutation? A mutation is any change in the DNA sequence inside our cells. DNA carries instruction for building our body. So when DNA changes, a gene may work differently, a trait may change, and sometimes disease can appear. Mutation can be small, changing just one base, or large, changing whole chromosome. And the slide 6 is the variation of mutation. There are two main variation sources. Number one is genetic variation caused by DNA changes inherited by offspring. Example, eye color difference, blood type. And number two is environmental variation caused by the environment, not DNA, not inherited. The example is thin skin due to sunlight, muscle growth from the exercise. And the next slide is requirements for mutation. For a mutation to occur, that the first DNA must change. Number two, the cell may or may not repair the damage. Number three, if mutation happens in reproductive cells, it can be passed to the next generation. If the cell repairs the damage properly, mutation doesn't remain. If not, the mutation becomes permanent. And next in the kind of mutation and the next slide 9, uh, type genetic material types of mutation. There are two major categories in the spirit into two kind. Number one is mutation gene, mutation that occur in the nucleotide-based sequence of DNA molecules. The effects of this mutation may or may not be visible. Based on the mechanism of change in the nucleotide-based sequence, gene mutation consists of the deletion and insertion and substitution. In the next slide, deletion and insertion. Deletion is a base or several bases are removed. This can save the entire reading frame of the gene. The insertion is a base of several bases are added. This also saves the reading frame, but change often produce incorrect or non-functioning protein. So the next is the substitution. A substitution mutation happens when a one base in DNA is replaced by another base. Substitution is divided into two types. The first type is the transition mutation. A transition happens when a base is replaced by another base from the same chemical group. DNA bases are grouped into the purines and pyrimidines. The purine include adenine and guanine. The pyrimidine include cytosine and thymine. Transition is the purine to purine or pyrimidine to pyrimidine. Example: A to G, G to A, C to T, T to C. Why transitions are common? Because changing within the same base group usually causes smaller structure change in the DNA. So the cell often doesn't detect the mistake immediately. And type 2 is transversion mutation. A transversion happens when a base is replaced by a base from a different chemical group. Transversion is the purine into pyrimidine. Example, the A to the C, A to the T, G to the C, and G to the T. And the opposite, cytosine to adenine, thymine to the adenine. Why transversions are less common? Because this change alters the DNA structure more drastically. Purines are large, pyrimidines are smaller. Switching them causes bigger dispersion, making it harder for the cell to replace DNA correctly. One base is replaced with another. This may not change the amino acid cell mutation, change the amino acid missense mutation, create a stop codon, stopping protein early nonsense mutation. This type is very common. The next slide is slide number 12, functional effects of mutation. Mutation effects depend on where they occur. Some mutations don't affect anything, some change how proteins work, some cause disorder of or abnormal traits. The effect depends on how much the gene function changes. The next slide is 13. Chromosome mutation. This mutation involves large section of chromosomes and happen when errors occur during meiosis. F2 mean tape is structural change, shape or part affected, and changes in number extra or missing chromosomes. These usually have bigger impacts than gene mutation. The next slide is the chromosome mutation. Example include a deletion, duplication, inversion, and translocation. The deletion, a chromosome piece is lost. The duplication, a portion is repeated. In the inversion, a chromosome piece flips direction. And the translocation, a piece moves to another chromosome. This can disrupt many genes at once. The next slide is the change in mutation number. The change in chromosome number, this is called aneuploidy. Example, the trisomy 2n plus 1, an extra chromosome such as Down syndrome in the trisomy number 21 in the monosomy 2n reduce 1 missing a chromosome occurs when the chromosome fails to separate properly during the meiosis. The next slide is the cell's mutation base. The two types based on the affected cell. Number one is somatic mutation happens in the body cell, not based of spearing, can cause cancer or physical abnormalities, and the gametic mutation happen in sperm or egg cell passed to next generation may cause change in trait or genetic disorder. The next slide is the difference about somatic mutation and genetic mutation. The somatic mutation example skin cells mutate or skin cancer, dividing cells mutate, congenital abnormalities. In the genetic mutation, the big mutation can kill gametes. Smaller ones may create new traits passed to children. And such a large genetic change can cause a gamete cell to die. Genetic changes are not so great that they cause a new generation to emerge that accept the change. The next is categories of mutation. The first is somatic mutation, occurs in the body cells, skin, liver, muscle, happens during mitosis, not inherited because it doesn't affect reproductive cells, only affects the individual, can cause tumor, cancer, or localized abnormalities. Somatic mutation happens in the body cells during mitosis. They affect only the individual. And number two is germline mutation. The occurs in reproductive cells, sperm or egg, happens during meiosis, inherited by offspring, affect every cell in the next generation, source of genetic disorders and evolutionary variation. In sexual reproduction, a germline mutation in the sperm or egg becomes part of the zygote. So the child always inherits the mutation. The next slide is slide number 19. Mutation based on gene characteristic. Genes come in pairs-colored alleles. The dominant mutation visible even if only one copy is mutated. The recessive mutation visible only if both copies are mutated. Recessive mutation can also appear of the gene is sex-linked X chromosome. The next slide is the natural mutagen. Mutation causes. Mutagen are agents that causes mutation. Natural. The example number one is cosmic rays or X-rays, high energy radiation that can break DNA. Short wavelength cosmic ray radiation is an effective cause of mutation. Number two is UV light. UV rays cause change in the chromosome structure, which can be fatal. For example, skin cancer in white-skinned people. If light can damage DNA in skin cell, causing disease like skin cancer. The next slide is artificial mutagen. Mutation causes. Human-made mutagens include the physical mutagen, chemical mutagens, and biological mutagens. The physical is the X-ray, gamma rays, radiation, and high heat. And the chemical is coquelin, nitric acid, alkyl compounds. And the biological is gene engineering, inserting foreign genes. In the next slide is the types of gene mutation. By effect, number one is a natural mutation or the original DNA sequence. A base substitution. A base substitution, a single codon, and base insertion. An insertion or a deletion alters the reading frame and may change many codon. And C, base deletion. And the next slide is mutation may be caused by a number of different factors. Mutation result from both internal and external. Mutation that occur naturally under normal conditions are called spontaneous mutation, while mutation caused by exposure to environmental chemicals or radiation are known as include mutation. And the next is spontaneous replication errors. Newly synthesized strand 5 exon TACGGACTGAAAA and the 3 exon. The template strand is the 3 exon ATGCCTGACTTTTGCGAAG. In the first newly synthesized strand loops out the adenine out. And number two, resulting in the addition of one nucleotide on the new strand. And number three is template strand loops out. And number four, resulting in the omission of one nucleotide on the new strand. And the next slide is spontaneous chemical change. Number one, if homologous chromosome misaligned during crossing over. One crossover product contains an insertion and the other has a deletion. In the chemical induced mutation, in replication, the uprooting site can provide a template for a complementary base on the newly synthesized strand. A nucleotide with the incorrect base, most often A, is incorporated into the newly synthesized strand. At the next round of replication, this incorporated base will be used as a template, leading to a permanent mutation, and a nucleotide is incorporated into the newly synthesized strand opposite the upronic site. The next is the radiation, and the next is the mutation. A natural mutation that do not have a positive or negative impact on the organism. For example, amino acids that are indicated at a certain point in a certain protein, but the genes that occur are neutral. B. Beneficial mutation that provide benefit and increase survival. And C. Deleterious mutation that causes genetic disease or disorder in the organism. The next is the DNA repair mechanism. DNA damaging agents include physical factors like radiation, chemical substance, and biological agents such as viruses. In the DNA damage types is the base damage, SSB, single-strand breaks, double-strand breaks, thymine mismatched base. DNA damage includes base change, strand break, mismatch, and UV-induced lesion like thymine dimers. DNA repair mechanisms include BER and ER mismatch repair and two major pathways for fixing double-strand breaks and HEG and homologous recombination. The next slide is chromosome mutation causes. Common chromosomal syndrome in the Down syndrome, in the chromosome trisomy 21, in the Patau syndrome in the trisomy 13, and Edwards syndrome in the trisomy 18, Turner syndrome in the monosomy X, Klinefelter syndrome in the 47XXY. The DNA mutation causes include death initiation, promotion, and the progression. The next slide is the types of mutagens in the radiation, chemicals, and infectious agents. The question is a study was conducted on tomato plants that normally produce bright red fruit. In the population, plants with pale yellow fruit were found. Researchers performed DNA analysis of the CRT1 gene, which is responsible for producing the red pigment, lycopene. In normal plants, the DNA sequence of the CRT1 gene in one region is 5-axon ATG, GAA, TCC, CTA, and the 3-axon. However, in the pale yellow fruit plants, the sequence found was 5-axon ATG, GAA, ACC, CTA, 3-axon. It is known that the codon TCC encodes the amino acid. The codon TCC encodes the amino acid serine, while ACC encodes